Today we're making this super fluffy chocolate banana dessert. I want to say a huge thank you to everyone who supports me with your likes. You'll see how incredibly soft and tender it is. I promise you're gonna love it. See you in the next video. Enjoy your meal.